Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. I am very excited today because I am taking you in a culinary journey with a Latino-inspired twist of a classic Cowboy soup. So I have partnered with the National Cattlemen's Beef Association, a contractor of the beef checkoff for Heart Health Month, and to share with you this tasty and nutrient-dense recipe. Plus, you'll learn key beef nutrition tips along the way so you can make the best choices for your heart health. So why am I talking about heart health in February? Well, not only because we celebrate the heart due to romance and friendship, but also, and most important, heart disease is the #1 killer for Americans. And it's winter and nothing is better than soup to warm your heart and soul. Did you know that almost half of the beef's fat is monounsaturated fat? Monounsaturated fat is the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil and avocados, and there are more than 36 cuts of beef found at retail that meet the lean qualifications. Lean beef can be enjoyed as part of a heart-healthy diet. Look for lean cuts of beef at the grocery store, such as sirloin steak, strip steak, and flank steak. I have a tip for you to help you find lean cuts at a grocery store. Look for words loin or round cuts. For example, sirloin is a lean cut, and that's the cut that we're gonna use today. Now, let's get cooking. Cowboy soup is a hearty and flavorful dish that typically includes a combination of lean meat, beans, and vegetables as the stars of the show. And I couldn't help but to put my own twist with the Latino herbs and spices. Saute the onions and garlic until they are translucent for about 4 minutes. I always love to saute onions and garlic first because that brings more flavor to the dishes. Now that the onions are cooked with the garlic, remove the sauté and set aside. Using the same pan, we're going to brown the sirloin steak. So now, don't fully cook this, just brown it. This is a trick that I learned from my good friend Julia Child to enhance the flavors. In order to do that, you need to cook it at a high heat so it can brown nicely outside. Now that our sirloin steak is brown, let's set aside. Using a slow cooker, add the brown sirloin steak and the sauté onions and garlic. And now we're gonna add the other ingredients: celery, canned tomatoes, canned pinto beans, cremini mushrooms, and yellow mini potatoes. Now we're gonna season it with cumin, black pepper, and sea salt, and add about a cup of beef broth. Now that we have all the ingredients in the slow cooker, make sure you stir everything well. You can choose to cook the soup in the slow cooker for 1 to 2 hours on high heat or for 4 to 6 hours on low. So if you have decided to cook on high 15 minutes before, or if you decided to cook it on low 30 minutes before it's done, we're gonna add the frozen mixed vegetables and the spinach. And now we're gonna mix this well, and we're gonna continue cooking this until the time is over. So I think our soup is done. Look at this beauty, full of vegetables with lean meat. The waiting was worth it. And here is a lunch hack for you. Pack this delicious Cowboy soup in a jar. Bring it to work, pour it into a bowl in the office kitchen. And there you have it. You got a warm and soothing midday meal ready to go. So now for the grand finale, I'm gonna add a few more Latino touches. Sprinkle a little cilantro and a bit of lime juice. Stir well, and your soup is ready. All right, my friends, now the best part, the taste. Let's see. Simply wow. Perfecto. This is a very good soup already. Warm my heart and my soul. So, I highly recommend you include this recipe in your meal planning ideas. And for the full recipe, visit my blog, manuelvillacorta.com, or click the link in the description of this post. For more beef recipe ideas, visit beefiswhatsfordinner.com. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next recipe or nutrition topics. Until next time, my friends, and thank you for watching.